Okay, so this is problem number 4 on notes 3.3. So what we're going to do is let's look at the problem. It's asking us to find x. So the end of our problem is going to look like this. X equals something when we're done. And it gives us the three angles. It gives us IJK. So IJK, that's the big angle. It gives us a value for MJK. So that's one of the small ones, MJK. And then it gives us IJM. IJM, that's the other small one for our equation. So let's set our equation up. Let's start with the two small ones. So that's angle MJK. This one here, MJK. Then we're going to add it to this one, IJM, plus angle IJM. And that's going to equal the big angle, which is IJK. Equals angle IJK. So now let's plug in what we know. We know MJK. MJK is 34x plus 3. So we'll say that's 34x plus 3. And we know IJM. IJM is 60. So let's plug in 60. And we're adding those together. Equals IJK, which is this one here, negative 3 plus 56x. All right. So now we got to solve for x. So first thing we're going to do is combine our like terms. So I see this 3 and 60. So that's going to give us 63. And that's it for the left. So 34x plus 63. And there is nothing I can do on this side. So this side's going to just come down as is. So next, let's move the variables. So I'm going to subtract 34x on both sides. So 34 minus 34 cancels, leaves us with 63 equals negative 3 plus 56 minus 34 is going to be 22x. And then let's move this negative 3 over. So we're going to add 3 to both sides. Let's move this down. So negative 3 and positive 3 cancel out. Leaves us with 22x. And 63 plus 3 is 66. So now we're just going to divide and solve. So I'm going to divide both sides by 22. And 22 divided by 22 is 1x, so that's x. And 66 divided by 22 is 3. So our final answer, we have solved for x, or it says to find x. So we have solved for x, and x equals 3.